Welcome, Party Chat. Got a special one today. I know I say that often, but this one's really special.
That's the Kill Tony theme song, guys. Alright, thank you so much.
It's the Barn Owl number 4. It's made with Currants. It's a 7.5%er. Their Farm Owl series is always aged for about a year in some funky barrels. Always like a bread and my seeds kind of blend. And yeah. Delicious. Make yourself comfortable. Don't have much music playing right now. Sorry. So yeah, usually they're sour. This one's supposed to be tart. For $12 a fucking bottle. I'm always kind of like iffy. I'm always iffy on spending $12 on a fucking bottle of beer. You know what I'm saying? But I've tried number 3, and it did not disappoint. So, I mean, nothing too spectacular looking. Like, it's pretty solid. Looks like a pretty solid kind of brew, you know? Ooh. So yeah, it has a funky smell. You get the bread, but it's like it's a nice clean bread. Kind of stings the nostrils a little bit, just the littlest bit. Butter just wants to be in it. That's extremely clean. Pretty mild, 7.5%. I don't know how. Okay, it tastes more like 3%. It's very fucking clean, very fucking easygoing. I see how this, they say it matches with their Motley Crew, because their Motley Crew is like a 9% that tastes like watery, nice, delicious cider. I definitely preferred Barn Owl 3. I like my sours. This isn't even that tart compared to how they're saying, in my opinion. It really reminds me of something else I'm trying to put my finger on. It is delicious. I'd give it maybe like a 7.9, maybe an 8. To be honest, it kind of reminds me of Burdock's Brett Farmhouse, but it's not as like punchy. They've toned it down and kind of like dried the Brett in a sense. So I'd say it's a clean beer. Don't know if it's worth the price. I don't know. It's a nice beer, but it's just so expensive. I do like it quite a bit. Like, it's close to an 8. Realistically, I should give it an 8. But I think I'm gonna stick to 7.9. Very clean, very light. Kind of want to drink it fast.